Ready?
1, 2, 3, go! Yes! Guys, so finally, please understand.
ఇప్పటికి ఇంకా నా వయసు నిండా 16 చీటికి మాటికి చెయ్యేస్తూ చుట్టూ కుర్రాలే నాకెవ్వరు నచ్చట్లే. ఎనీవేస్ సో పోకిరి నుంచి తన జర్నీ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి ఇంకా దానికన్నా ముందు కూడా చాలా మూవీస్ చేశారు. సో అక్కడ నుంచి తన జర్నీ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి now she is like business entrepreneur and I'm happy to see her like this, a fighter, a gorgeous, ఒక trend setter అన్నమాట ముమైత్ ఖాన్.
I love you, Joe. I love her. She's so pure.
ఇంత హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేస్తూ ఇంత ఇది చేస్తూ మనం అందరం డెఫినెట్ గా సపోర్ట్ చేయాలి, అప్రిషియేట్ చేయాలి. అండ్ ఆల్ ద ప్యాషన్ బ్యూటీ ప్యాషన్ లవర్స్, బ్యూటీకి సంబంధించిన ఏదైనా కోర్స్ ఇక్కడ చేయబడుతుంది. అండ్ ప్లీజ్ డూ గెట్ ఎన్రోల్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ మీ ప్యాషన్ ని ఎన్హాన్స్ చేసుకోండి, మీ ప్యాషన్ ని ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేసుకోండి విత్ ఆల్ దిస్ సర్టిఫైడ్ కోర్సెస్ అన్నమాట. సో హియర్ యూ గో.
Andarki namaskaram. Thank you so much everyone. I love you guys for coming today, sharing this dream, what I've been dreaming from last 7-8 years.
Oh, she has put her heart and soul in this.
Yes, and accident అయిపోయిన తర్వాత I guess after break this is it, like idi I'll say it, this is my final exam. We go alone in the school.
No, this is not the final. ఇంకా చాలా ఉంది. So much more yet to come అన్నమాట.
So I personally feel this is my final exam. From whatever after the break, either this is gonna make me or either this is gonna break me. So dan kosame I gave my 100% from last 17 months nunchi homework chestune unnanu to make this brand and this platform the best. Anduke ma certificate lo ISO, QAA and IAF already under process for NSDC skill development certificate. I'm working on that. So I want to give the best platform for any student. I don't want to make them fool, I don't want to lie to them, and I don't want to make that the certificate with we like name and oh you have learned. No, I want to give them the best. Wherever they go they should just get the job. I'm going to teach them how to do a business, how they can take care of their business, what they should do, what they should take care of, everything, because I have gone through it. This break, this 17 months, my homework, I really want to now give it back to people. I want to give this knowledge back. How would you take care of yourself if something happens? What next? So the only thing is you need to be very passionate about what you love the most. If you think you're the best, please come join Be Like Academy. I can't wait to see you guys, and I really want you all to enroll it soon.
Is there any discount right now?
Oh yes, darling. Oh yes. Kani Be Like is for everybody. It's for guy, girls, gays, LGBTQA plus X, Y, Z. Every requirement. Whoever has the passion, they can definitely come and they can definitely learn. Just for them also, I am actually on a talking terms with some few banks, and once I launch, like today when I launched it, and now things have started, so definitely I'll be working for students loans also.
Okay, dancer కదా అంటే డాన్స్ అకాడమీ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు కదా, వై మేకప్ అకాడమీ అండ్
ఇది నా ఇష్టం ఉంది, ఇది నా ఇష్టం. కానీ నేను చాలా వయసు నుంచి ఐటమ్ గర్ల్ చెప్తారు, ఐటమ్ సాంగ్ చెప్తారు. సో అది ఐటమ్ గర్ల్ ఐటమ్ సాంగ్కి ఇట్స్ మోర్ గ్లామర్. So I've always been in and out, just working and just so adi naku chala ishtam. Makeup, hair, outfit, all of that naku nizanga chala ishtam. So that's why, and I'm a creative person. So because I'm a creative person, I thought I need to give something back. And anduke Hyderabad ki icharu because I don't want it to give back, go back to Mumbai. I didn't want it to because kani nenu 18 years ki unnanu ఆ time ki Hyderabad ki vacharu. My first song on Swami movie with Sri Kalyan Garu. I have done a song. So from that time, I should say my age or I don't know, but I'm very proud that I'll be 40 this year. So this time, I definitely want to give back what I earned from Hyderabad. That is the reason why I want to just open this and give my best, 100%.
Are you planning any other branches?
No love, I want everybody to die and come here in Hyderabad. I want to make a good brand, like wherever it is, okay, oh, it's in V, like where is V, like Hyderabad.